I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by ensuring your site can securely call an external service. HTTPS and CORS policies matter. Once confirmed, pick a provider or framework that matches your needs. Hosted API for speed, open source for control. Make sure you obtain an API key, set domain whitelists, and draft a minimal intent list for the first version. This gets you from idea to actionable endpoints quickly, so you can build and test instead of endlessly debating architecture. Next, implement a server-side proxy that securely forwards requests and hides your API key. This also lets you manage rate limits and retries. Then, map your intents to canned responses, dynamic content fetches, or webhook actions. This is how the chatbot becomes useful. Make sure to add a graceful fallback intent and structure logging so you capture conversation samples and errors. Once done, you'll be able to iterate on logic without exposing secrets or failing silently in production. Now add the front-end widget. Include accessible controls, keyboard navigation, and responsive styling so it works on phones and desktop. Connect the widget to your proxy, ensure session ID, persist context across pages, and store short conversation state if needed. Test critical flows end-to-end and monitor metrics like latency, error rate, and handoff to human agents. If things go wrong, check proxy logs first. Most failures are CORS, API key restrictions, or rate limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.